Dalia, Novaliches, Quezon City. Golden Break Billiards, Season Cafe, Machi Matcha, Anytime Fitness, KFC, The Big Cup. Ito po yung graduate na bukas. Congratulations to Reggie Marquez. Wala po bang freebies pag graduate bukas? Katulad ng birthday.
Freebies daw.
Say hi.
Okay na po. Ilang po natin?